If your Rockstar Games Launcher isn't opening or keeps crashing, there are a few things you can try to get it working again. First, try running the launcher as an administrator. Just right-click on the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes it just needs the right permissions to start properly. If that doesn't fix it, you can try renaming the Rockstar Games folder. Open up File Explorer and go to C:\program files, x86, \Rockstar Games. Find the Rockstar Games folder, right-click it, and choose Rename. Just add an underscore at the beginning so it looks like _Rockstar Games. After that, try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher again and see if it works. If you're still having problems, it might be Windows security interfering with it. You can add an exclusion to make sure it's not getting blocked. Press Windows +S, search for Windows Security, and open it. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down, and click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Keep scrolling down until you see Exclusions, then click Add or Remove Exclusions. Choose to add a folder, navigate to C:\program files, x86, \Rockstar Games, and select the Rockstar Games folder. Once you've done that, close Windows Security and try opening the launcher again. If nothing else works, there's one more thing you can try: uninstalling Microsoft OneDrive. Open Settings by pressing Windows +I, go to Apps, and then Installed Apps. Search for OneDrive, find Microsoft OneDrive in the list, click the three dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. Confirm when it asks you. Just a heads up though, only do this if you're sure you don't need OneDrive for saving or backing up your files.